This is project module 3, Ethan's part-time jobs. And I want to start at step 2, which is right here. You're going to set the width of the column E to a 16. So here is your column E. So we're going to select it. If you notice when you take your cursor, you place it on top of the E, you get a little black arrow pointing down. When you select that or click, you will have that whole column highlighted or selected. So now what we're going to do is we're going to format the width. So column width. And when we click on that, it asks us what do we want to set the width at. So we're, per the directions, going to put in 16. Whoops. And then OK. And you'll notice that the width of the column widened. Okay, so the words monthly total are visible. So we widened column E so we could see the entire monthly title. Okay, apply the title cell style to the range A1 through E1. So first we have to select A1. So we're going to click in it through E1. And then it asks us to use a cell style, which is right here. And specifically, it's asking us to use a title cell style. And then to increase the size of the font to 20. Okay, there you go. Number 4, merge and center the contents of cell A3 through E3, then bold the column or the cell contents. So we're going to select A3 through E3. And then you'll find right up here is the merge and center. So we're going to merge all 5 of those columns into one and then center the word earnings. And then it's asking us to make the word earnings bold. Okay, so that's number 4. Number 5, center the text in the range B4 through E3. No, sorry. Center the text in the range B4 through E4 and then change the font color to white. So we're going to select B4 through E4. And then we're going to come up here to the font, and if you hover over the white, they call it white background 1 instead of just simply white. So that is the color that we're going to select. So now we are on to step 6. Use the format painter to apply the format from the range A7 through E7 to the range A9 through E9. I like to think of the format painter kind of like your copy and paste on steroids. So what it's going to do is it's going to take the formatting from one area, and once we swipe over it, it will take it and format the other area. So in this case, we want to take the information in A7 through E7. So we've selected it, and then we're going to use the Format Painter. So we click here, and when we click on it, you'll notice once again we get your dancing ants, and it wants us to apply that formatting to A9 through E9. You'll notice you get a little paintbrush, so you're going to swipe over the area that we want to format similar to row 7. When we swipe over it and lift up our mouse button, you'll notice now it is the same exact format as row 7. Okay, italicize the contents of cell A11 and change its font to TW So A11. So we're going to click in A11 and make it active. And then we're going to just simply change the font color, or rather the font style. So you can start typing in the font style, and you'll notice that it jumps right to the style that you need. And we click enter, and it has changed the font style. Okay, and that's step 8. In range A11 through E11, so A11 through E11, it would like us to put a top and bottom double border on the cells, and then change the fill color to orange. So our top and double bottom border are right here. And if you look down here, you will look for top and bottom, top and double bottom border. There you go. And it would like us to change the fill color, which is our little bucket, to be the color orange. And third column, first row. Third column, first row. There you go. Okay. Now, step 9. Ella, or rather Ethan, wants to see at a glance which jobs have an hourly rate that meets his needs. So, in range B13 through D13, so let's select B13 through D13. Use conditional formatting. That is up here in the ribbon under conditional formatting. And it would like us to highlight the cell rules and then choose greater than. And then we're going to put in, according to the instructions, I'm going to put in 6.5. And we do not need the dollar sign. And then it would like if the information in that range is greater than 6.5, it would like the spreadsheet to identify with yellow fill and dark yellow text. So if you notice, there's your drop down, you see your yellow fill as well as your dark yellow text, and we're going to select that and click OK. Okay, we are on step 10. Apply the short date number format to cell C16. So we select C16 and make sure that it is active. And then what we want to do is we want to come over here to date, open the number group launcher, and then it wants us to choose, alrighty, we are going to choose the short date, which is the formatted month, day, and year. So you'll see it changed here. Okay, apply the percentage number format to cell C17. So C17, currently in a decimal, and it would like us to put it in percentage and decrease the decimal places. So we're going to go down here, click percentage, and then decrease the decimal places to 0. So it looks like that.